Here to talk to you today about power protection for your fax machine, as well as any other expensive computer equipment that you have. We know that these machines all have delicate electronics that can be damaged by power surges. That's why it's very important, no matter where you live, that you purchase a good quality surge suppressor to plug your fax machine into prior to it being plugged into the wall. Most of the high-end surge suppressors also have connections for your phone lines. Believe it or not, in my career I've seen many more fax machines damaged by lightning strikes to the phone line than by power surges coming in through the AC power. So it's important that you also protect your phone line coming in from power surges. Like I said, lightning's a big cause of power surges and they hit telephone poles all the time. So it's much more likely to get a power surge and it will take out the modem in these fax machines if they're not protected. Remember, like motorcycle helmets, you know, if you have a $5 head, buy a $5 helmet. With fax machines, if you have a $10 fax machine, buy a $10 surge suppressor. But if you have a good fax machine that you want to last, this is your insurance. Spend a couple of extra dollars, get a good quality one that responds fast and will protect the machine and is guaranteed by the maker of the surge suppressor to replace your equipment if the surge suppressor fails to protect it.